Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Schindler and this is Keren, and today's video we'll be doing a high-key beauty portrait with just 2 lights. Stay tuned. So, like I said, we'll be using 2 lights, and this is our key light for today. We have the Godox 80x80cm softbox double diffusion, and what's firing it is the Godox AD200 Pro. That's our key light, our A light. So if ever I mention our A light, I'm referring to this. And then for the fill of the key light, we have this white reflector. So we have a clamshell lighting. This is facing down roughly 45 degrees, and then this is just to bounce some of the film back into Keren, our model. And for our background light, we have the Godox 120cm Octagonal reflective umbrella softbox. Inside this is a Godox TT600, and that's going to be providing our background light. And like I said earlier, this is a high key lighting, so this is going to serve as both a rim light and the background of the image. So we are going to try to get it as quiet as we can without overexposing, and so let's begin. So we have Keren here, and for our camera setup today, we'll be using the Canon EOS RP with the Viltrox EF to R adapter and the EFS 18-135mm lens. To trigger our lights, we have the Godox X2T for Canon, and this is our entire setup. So let's start shooting. And guys, this headband was made by Keren, so please make sure to follow her on Instagram. She's our lovely model for today. So we are set up, and just to share my camera settings with you, I'm shooting at a shutter speed of 1/200th of a second. My aperture is at f8.0 and my ISO is at 200. And that's just to make sure that we have none of our ambient lights affecting the shot. So all my lights are disabled. I'm just going to take a shot right now. And as you can see, pitch black. It means that none of our ambient lights is affecting the shot. So I'll start testing our lights, and as you guys know, I like to test from the background light then to the key light. So I'm going to turn on our B lights, that's the background lights. It's at 1/32 power. Let me take a shot. Yep, but you can see it's not perfectly white. So I think if I increase the power to 1/16, yeah, 1/16 power, just to get that perfect white background that we are looking for. Yes, and this is very, very close to perfectly white. Yeah, I love this. I love this a lot. So now that we have the background lights as we want it, I'm just going to turn that off and turn on our A lights and also test that. So right now I have it set to 1/16 power. Let me see how it looks. Yeah, I think I can use some more power because I want it to be very high key, very bright lighting on here. Let me take that again. Wow, that's more like it. So as you guys can see, our A light is set. I'm just going to turn on the B lights. So the A is at 1/8 and then the B is at 1/16. And let's see what we are getting. Wow, that's a really beautiful high key lighting. Yes, so we are going to shoot, and if you guys are enjoying the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe as well. I'll show you some pictures from the shoot. Let's get shooting. So if you like how the pictures look, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want to know how I retouch them or see a retouching tutorial on the channel, you can mention it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.